Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the live chat option while watching YouTube live videos. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's jump into the full process. Here, you can see that the live chat is appearing below the video. Sometimes, the live chat can take up some space on the screen, and you may want to hide it while watching the video. So, if you want to watch the video without the live chat, you can easily turn it off. To do that, simply click on the three dots option. Here, you will see the live chat option. Just disable this option. That's it. Now go back to the video. As you can see, the live chat has disappeared, and now we can watch the video properly. If you want to enable the live chat again, simply repeat the same process. Click on the three dots option and enable the live chat option. So friends, this is how you can easily turn off or turn on live chat while watching YouTube live videos. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.